there were swingers here.
There you go.
I got one more. I'm gonna take you to.
Let's race! No, I was kidding.
A different time than you brought me.
What up, Brian?
How you doing?
Doing good? You got the dog in the back.
Yeah, I just started doing this yesterday and she seems to enjoy it when I'm...
Hey!
Can I take a picture of you?
Yeah.
Because I think it's so cool.
Yeah, it's called an electric unicycle.
I've never seen anything like it, and I was like, oh my god, it's unrare. It's so cool. But you guys have really good balance.
I got one more. I'm gonna take you to an enchantment under the sea. I hope the sidewalk moves on you. You trip and knock out your two front teeth. I'm high as a kite. High five, baby.
How fast do you be going on that thing?
Time.
Oh yeah. The last time there were swingers here.
Goes about, they have ones that go 90. This mine only goes about 50.
Only?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Red Bull car. Red Bull. Red Bull.
Bye everybody. Your last shot. See you next year.
There he is. I was wondering where you are.
Dude,
lead the way.
Go. You want to ride around a little bit?
Yeah. Look at a little dirt path for us. We got a little small intimate one here. Tom Stall. I see a bunch of stuff down this street. We'll do a quick whip.
Let's go look. Either.
There you go. It's right.
Oh, whatever.
There's a keg. He's just carrying a keg.
Oh, let's go, dude. Let's go.
Oop.
I think I got
buddy.
Thank you, bro.
Yeah, there you go.
Damn.
Should we just get under? Should we help them?
Yeah.
I don't know if they're breaking it down or putting it up.
Push that. I don't think so.
You got over it?
That came quick. Yeah.
It popped, yeah.
This house is daunting.
Dude, that is a huge.
It's the Addams family house.
That thing's massive.
What is that?
Swinging around.
What is that?
Electric unicycle.
How long did that shit take you to learn? That shit is awesome. How fast that
This
thing
one's got a
is.
suspension and shit. Auburn.
Oh, another band's playing.
Here we go.